Good day. I'm Janadine, 39 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm a single mother of two. My daughter is 21 years old and my son is 9 years old. I'm a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and playing with children. I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years, 2018 to 2020. I serve a single mother of three, age 13, 9, and 11. My duties are taking care of children, bring them to the school, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and ironing. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years, 2021 to 2023. I serve a couple. My duties are cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, and car wash. I work as a nanny here in Philippines for 7 months. I take care 4 years old son, boy, and sometimes I help the other housemate. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn and save money for my future and for my family. To my employer, please choose me as a housemaid because I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. Thank you.